Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa to can. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring they are ripe and free from blemishes. Next, prepare your canning jars and lids by washing them thoroughly and keeping them warm. Always use a tested recipe to ensure your salsa is safe for canning. Finally, you will process the filled jars in a water bath canner. Begin by washing and chopping your fresh tomatoes, peppers, and onions into small, consistent pieces. You'll also need to peel and mince your garlic cloves. For safety and flavor, accurately measure out your vinegar, ensuring it has 5% acidity and any desired spices. If you prefer a milder salsa, remember to remove the seeds and membranes from your hot peppers. Combine all your prepared ingredients in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the salsa to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly. Carefully ladle the hot salsa into your warm, prepared canning jars. Be sure to leave a 1/2-inch headspace from the rim of each jar. Gently place the filled jars into your water bath canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil and process the jars for the time specified in your recipe, typically 15 to 20 minutes for pint jars. After processing, turn off the heat, remove the canner lid, and let the jars cool for 5 minutes before removing them. Allow them to cool completely for 12 to 24 hours, then check that all lids have sealed properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.